The 1935 Ford Model 48 is a remarkable piece of automotive history, representing a significant evolution in Ford's design and engineering. This car was introduced as an improved version of the Model 40, and it quickly gained popularity due to its enhanced aesthetics, improved performance, and affordability. In the midst of the Great Depression, Ford needed a car that was both stylish and economical, and the Model 48 met these expectations perfectly. One of the most striking features of the 1935 Ford Model 48 is its streamlined design. Unlike its predecessors, this model featured a more modern, curved body with a sloped grille and integrated headlights, which gave it a more elegant and aerodynamic look. The body was built on a steel framework, providing better durability and safety. It was available in a variety of body styles, including sedans, coupes, convertibles, station wagons, and even commercial vehicles. This diversity in options made it appealing to a wide range of customers. Under the hood, the Model 48 was powered by Ford's legendary flathead V8 engine, a defining feature of the brand's automobiles during this era. This 3.6-liter, 221 cubic inches engine produced around 85 horsepower, which was quite impressive for its time. It provided a smooth and reliable performance, making it one of the best-selling cars of 1935. The car had a 3-speed manual transmission, allowing for a solid and engaging driving experience. Another key improvement in the 1935 Ford Model 48 was its suspension system. It featured a transverse leaf spring suspension, which improved ride quality compared to previous models. The braking system was also enhanced with mechanical brakes on all 4 wheels, providing better stopping power. Although hydraulic brakes had started to appear in some competitor vehicles, Ford stuck with mechanical brakes until later years. Inside the car, the Model 48 was designed with comfort and practicality in mind. The cabin was more spacious than earlier models, with improved seating and a better driving position. The dashboard was simple but functional, featuring an easy-to-read instrument panel. Ford also introduced better insulation to reduce noise and vibrations, making the ride more pleasant for passengers. One of the reasons for the success of the 1935 Ford Model 48 was its affordability. Henry Ford was known for making cars that were accessible to the average American, and this model was no exception. It was competitively priced, making it a popular choice among families and business owners. In addition, its fuel efficiency and reliable engine made it an economical vehicle to own and maintain. In terms of cultural impact, the Model 48 played an essential role in the automotive industry during the 1930s. It was a car that symbolized resilience and innovation during difficult economic times. Many businesses relied on it for transportation, and families appreciated its dependability. The car also gained popularity among enthusiasts and collectors over the years, with many restored models still in existence today. The 1935 Ford Model 48 also made an impact in motorsports and hot rodding culture. The flathead V8 engine became a favorite among car enthusiasts, who modified these vehicles for racing and performance. Even decades later, this engine remains iconic among classic car collectors and vintage racing enthusiasts. Despite its many advantages, the Model 48 was not without its challenges. While its mechanical brakes were effective for the time, they were not as advanced as hydraulic systems found in some competitors. The car's suspension, though improved, still had limitations when driving on rough terrain. Additionally, while the styling was modern for the 1930s, rapid advancements in automotive design meant that newer models quickly made the Model 48 look outdated. Ford's success with the Model 48 paved the way for even more advancements in the following years. The company continued to refine its designs, improve performance, and introduce new technology. However, the legacy of the 1935 Ford Model 48 remains strong, as it was a vehicle that embodied both practicality and style. Today, the 1935 Ford Model 48 is a cherished collector's item. Many classic car enthusiasts take pride in restoring and preserving these vehicles. Restored models often appear in car shows, vintage races, and museums, where they are admired for their historical significance and timeless design. Finding an original, well-maintained Model 48 is a rare and valuable experience, as these cars represent an era of American automotive excellence. In conclusion, the 1935 Ford Model 48 was a revolutionary car for its time, offering a blend of style, performance, and affordability. It played a crucial role in Ford's history and left a lasting impression on the automotive world. Whether appreciated for its elegant design, powerful V8 engine, or cultural impact, this car remains a classic symbol of innovation and endurance.